Alright, so I'm just going to give you a little bit of information about this palette, which is of course the Makeup Obsession Golden Honey. Golden Honey. Golden Honey. Okay, that would be me. Melanin infused. Whatever. So it is, and I wish I could stop saying so as well. I'm so sorry, you guys. I can't help but say it. It comes, the cost is £10 for the eyeshadow palette, and it has, ooh, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 8, yeah, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, I can count, 16 shades with a combination of mattes and shimmers. At the cost of £10, you do the math. I mean, that is cheap as anything. I mean, with the palette itself and aesthetically looking, it's golden, but it is cardboard, so it's no major thing. But it does actually have a mirror that comes with it as well. I'll give you the reflection here, and there's a mirror in there as well. And it's got, as you can see, some pinks, some chocolate colors, and neutral kind of soft shades, which I absolutely love because I tend to have more wear eyeshadows palettes like these than the bright colors, as I said. So the queen bee of neutral eyeshadow has arrived. The Makeup Obsession Golden Honey eyeshadow palette contains a rich mix of amber, chocolate, and gold shades in a range of buttery, shimmers, and pigmented mattes. The silky textures will melt onto the lids like warm honey, so you can create endless looks, so from soft everyday glam to full-blown sultry and smoky. So that's what it says. Okay, I'm presuming that the smokiness comes from, obviously, do you see this shade here, which is super dark, that one here, and that's where the smokiness comes from. I'm gonna be, I mean, I've done golden looks without showing you guys here, but I'm gonna go for something soft and pink and really, really easy, so we don't have time to be able, I keep saying so, stop saying so. I'm gonna try not to say it. Okay, each palette or each eyeshadow has got a name, and ooh, we've got it, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot, and then it's a treacle. I'm going to use a treacle in the end, and that is this pink here, which is really pretty and soft, and strangely enough that suits me quite well. Now, starting off with, I'm going to go for this one and make it a bit sultry. I was going to go for something much softer like this, but no, let's make it sultry. I've got big eyes, so therefore the darker the shade, the smaller your eyelid looks, the brighter it is, the wider it looks. So I'm going to go for this one here, which has got the name of Deep Tan. It is deep, but tan, whatever. So on my eyes, I've already got the P. Louise eye base in shade number 8, and I've already also placed a little bit of powder to set it in place. Otherwise, big eyes, lots of creases, and you just get the creasing in between. Nobody wants that. Alrighty, let's see what the pigment is like. This is the Zoeva 227 Luxe soft definer brush. I'm just using that because I am using that. Okay. I'm just gonna gently tap. Ooh, one little tap, and that's that one now. I'm just gonna go back in. There isn't too much fallout with this eyeshadow palette. I'll let you guys know if it is cruelty free and vegan as well, if you were interested. Going back to being normal. Okay, I'm just gonna tap that all over my lid. Okay, well, I can see the shade does show on my skin, and you can deepen it actually straight away. You can deepen the shade. It blends really easily, which is what I love. I love easy eyeshadow palettes which don't need a lot of work. As I said, I will tend to use these for work and so on, and no one's got time to be wasting it trying to blend away for ages and ages. I don't mind spending time blending for a good 20 minutes when I'm at home and I've got nowhere to go. But when you're on your way to work, no one's got time for that crap. So as you can see, super pigmented. I absolutely love this shade actually. Oh, this, you know what, with a very light shade would just be a look on his own. It doesn't have to be complicated, but look how smoky and ooh. Right, so with that already in place, I'm just going to soften the outline there and just blend it softly in my crease line before I use another shade. And it's just very light, feathery touches. I'm going to go for the next shade, which is going to be Hot Pursuit. Woo! Hot Pursuit. And that is this one here, which is just above. And that is Hot Pursuit. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. In Hot Pursuit, you're running away now. Oh, my. So I'm just going to dab in there. I'm using a Morphe R39. I'm not going to say anything about the drama with Morphe and what's his name. Yeah, let's leave that one out the way. They've said he's got nothing, doesn't own the company, so all right. maybe not. We're going to tap in there. Ooh, very pigmented. That was about 3 taps. You have to be, there's a little bit of fallout, but ooh, okay, there's a bit more fallout. Any more? Any more? Any more? Okay, that was a bit more than I was expecting. Let's see, we can just blend just a little bit just to soften everything. Oh, yeah. You can see the difference between the two. Just lightly blending everything. Honestly, this is a look onto itself. Ooh, I'm tempted to just leave it at that, but no. I want my pink. I want my pink. And I am going to wear it. Dagnammit. So I don't know what I'm doing, but you can see the difference. It's just softened things up a little bit, and it's so the colors just work really well together. I'm going back into deep tan only because obviously when you look here, it doesn't look too bad. But when I close my eyes, you can see that it's been a little bit too diffused and it doesn't quite cover the whole of my lid, which is what I wanted to do. So I'm just going to go back in with that shade and just pack it very gently in my crease line. Right, so I'm going to go in with the pink, which was a treacle, and I'm just going to tap that all over. This is treacle. All right, little treacle. All right, come on, camera, come on. There you go, focus. So I'm going to go with that all over my lid, but I am so tempted to just leave it, but no, Brunel, no. Oh. So pretty, so pretty. And let's see how that applies. Oh, that's coming out a lot more golden than I was expecting actually. It's like initially when you place it you see the pink, but as you rub it some more it changes, and I know why it's changing actually. It's because of the base color that I've got. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. I was not expecting that at all. I was thinking it's going to stay the same. So look at that. You see the difference between how it is here and ooh. Oh, actually, is this duochrome? I see a little bit of gold in it, but it definitely appears so differently. See what I mean? You can see the pink, but as you start rubbing it, it changes. It is definitely pigmented. Woo. Going back into deep tan, and I'm just going to tap that gently on the inner and outer corner. Going back into deep tan again, I'm just going to outline the underneath my eyes. I'm just using a, which Morphe brush is this? I think it's the Morphe Small Detail brush. There's no name on it. So I'm just going to tap that as close to my waterline as possible. I had that line on my lips. Ugh, I hate that. It's a build up of a lip gloss that I was testing out. Ooh, no, don't like that at all. Not to be used again. So I'm just going back into Hot Pursuit, and I'm just going to diffuse things a little bit. And as you can see, some strange reason, this brush is peeling off. So annoying. This is a BH Cosmetic Detail brush. I'm just basically using the same colors that I used at the top. Okay, I'm just going to quickly finish off my face off camera to cut things down a little bit because I've been chatting a lot in this video. It's just black eyeliner, yeah, and then just finish off my face, blush, the usual stuff. So I'll see you guys in a moment with the finished look. Ta-da! This is my face all done. Ooh, darling, oh, a lot more smoky than I was expecting, less pink than I was expecting. So it is a duochrome eyeshadow, but however it appears more gold than it does the pink from when you look at it in the pan, which I don't actually mind as it turned out. I think it also has to do with the base, that it is so dark that's why the more of the gold came out. Maybe if I'd had just something much more flesh-like, you would have been able to see the pink more, but I'm actually quite happy with how smoky it came out. Let me know what you guys think. Now I'm just going to quickly go into some of the mattes so I can swatch them, because I can see that the actual some of the matte, I'm going into the shimmers because I can see that the mattes are actually quite well pigmented, so I'm quite happy with them and how they appear, and they're quite soft on the skin. And I am terrible at doing swatches, so do apologize. So this is Honey Baby, oh no, this is not, this is Good as Gold. Good as Gold is what we're going to start off with. Ooh, you can see. And then you've got Honey Baby here. Ooh, mamma mia. And then next one is this one is Glow Girl Glow, and that's that one. And then you've also got Bronze Goddess. All right. So you can see they're really, really well pigmented. I'm just going to try the other ones. And that, oh, actually, no. Which one was that one? Which one was that one? I think, oh, you know what, doesn't really matter. So I'm going to go with There She Glows. There's lots of glowy words such as glow in here. There She Glows. That's that one here. And then there's also, ooh, Lava. I want to try that one out. That's Lava. And then there's also Drop It Like It's Hot, which I can't wait to try. It's the first shade. And that one is a very, very light shade. Perfect for your brow area. And as you can see, so that's mostly most of the shimmers, and I think they swatch quite well actually. Really, really nice. It is such a nice palette. I absolutely love this palette because it is so light. It is very you know, travel friendly. You can create so many different, you know, looks with this. Even though it goes with everyday makeup, this will be something for wedding type and so on as well. Yes, I know you when you're thinking wedding types, you're thinking much more higher price, but it's not necessary. These are pigmented enough. If they appear on my skin, they'll appear on yours. Okay. That's what I say anyway. But look at that. I mean, they're not the best of swatches. It's not about swatches with looking perfect. I don't really care about that. It's just to show just how well they actually appear on the skin, and they work really well just using your finger. Really, really great. Do I think this palette is worth buying? Absolutely. Am I happy with this, and will I be using this all the time? Definitely, because it's a neutral palette, and I've already explained why at the beginning. Thank you everyone for watching. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know what you think of the finished look. If you are interested in lipstick, what a surprise. Lisa Eldridge, of course. I've got Velvet Muse, and I've also got Velvet Midnight, which is a darker shade on the outer side, and then Velvet Muse just in the center. And all right, my darlings, have yourself a good evening. Bye.